Hey yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C Nasty. Listen, this is an all-inclusive video. This is not strictly for chosen ones. The LTSOs, the less than smart ones, y'all are invited to this video because y'all might understand what the hell is going on. Listen to this. This message is from God through my mouth to your ears. Take heed to the message. Chosen ones and less than smart ones. Some people in your life are literally just a spark. What do you mean some people in our lives are just a spark, C Nasty? What the hell do you mean? I'll tell you what I mean right now. Why you say some people are just a spark, C Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones, less than smart ones. Some people are literally just a spark in your life. You get what I'm saying? Some people are not meant to play long term in your life. They were literally just a spark of inspiration, or that spark, they were the catalyst that made the move that you finally did. How many of y'all have an ex out there that ex, they did you dirty? They probably lied, cheated, manipulated, stole. Some of y'all probably dead right now watching us from the afterlife because they killed y'all, they abused y'all so bad. Not a joke, but for real, like, so, but listen, that ex, after you left that person, you could have never went back to a situation like that. That person was the spark to make you a better person. Even though you had to go through the hellfire to become that new person that you did, that person was the spark. It was the catalyst to make you say, you know what, I don't care, I'm doing this. You know what I'm saying? My way or the highway. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. That person was probably the one that made you start really standing up for yourself. You get what I'm saying? That person was probably the person that made you really start, like, speaking up when you felt, you know, that some people were being rude or talking out of turn or just cutting you off or stuff like that. Feel me? Some people are just the spark of inspiration. A lot of people, they find their creativity through, you know what I'm saying, what I call their muse. You know what I'm saying? If it's a guy, you know what I'm saying, there's a female that he really is attracted to. You get what I'm saying? He has this look in his eye for this one female. Feel me? Or a couple females, could be multiple, but she's like the focal point of his creations. You get what I'm saying? Like, he thinks of her while he's writing his music, while he's writing his poetry, you know what I'm saying? While he's making his videos, you know what I'm saying? He's the one. She was the one that was the catalyst to make him better. Some people, you were probably chubby or overweight and you were dating somebody and that person left you. You know what I'm saying? They left you, broke your heart, literally. And what did you do? You probably cried endless nights, feel me? In the fetal position, tore up from the floor up, feel me? Wishing you had that person to hold, but that person was never, ever coming back. And you know that feeling when you're just reaching out for them, like, oh God, it's just like they're not coming back. You're reaching for a dream that's gone. But all right, but what was the point? The point that I'm making is that person was the spark, was the catalyst that made you say, you know what, I'm about to go get my body right. I'm about to go to the gym and beautify my body. Feel me? And then what happened when you went to the gym? It was hard at first, yeah, but then you got motivated. A month later, you started seeing results. 2-3 months later, people started seeing results. 6 months later, guess who's in your DMs? 6 months later, guess who's in your text message? Talking about, what's up, big head? How you been? That's where you got the absolute choice right there, the power right there. You got your power back. Feel me? Some of y'all, y'all mess it up and y'all go back to that person. Y'all let that person, you know what I'm saying, come back, play games, and do it all over again. But even though y'all hit rock bottom a second time, or maybe a 50th time, y'all bounce back and just rise back up higher. Feel me? Like an elastic band. Feel me? But some of y'all, like me, I leave their ass on red. I'm not playing. I will leave your ass on red. If you did me wrong in the past, if you emasculated me, if you made me feel rejected, not worthy, feel me? And then you try to, and if you left me in endless nights of going through the cycles of the pits of hell, when you know your presence alone could have really healed a brother. When you know your womb really could have healed me. You know what I'm saying? You knew it, but yeah, you rejected my kind. Feel me? But that was the catalyst. Feel me? That made me say, listen, you know, oh no, that's what I was saying. I'll leave their ass on red. Feel me? There's no way in hell that I was broke down, going crazy over a person, and then I finally healed over the person. I finally healed mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and then on top of healing, I surpassed like my expectations. I surpassed it. You know what I'm saying? Then, you know what I'm saying? They underestimated us, and what do? We overachieved. We overachieved on their ass. And that's what we do all the time, chosen ones. And the less than smart ones, the LTSOs. Y'all included in this video because y'all might understand what the brother's talking about. But y'all been rambling. Yo, hit me in the comment section if you're still here to this point of the video. Please hit me in the comment section, because yo, if you could sit there and listen to me for 8 minutes, y'all part of the Soul Tribe. Let me know you're in the building. Even if you don't want to say, just say what's up, my boy, you know, or something. Hit me with a, you know, something. And then hit that like button too. You know, all that, you already know all that jargon. Alright, man, I'm out of here, man. I'm about to go back to reality, man. I'm gonna get off the internet life and go back to the reality. Concrete jungle. One love.